Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to change the regulator or voltage rectifier on a 2004 Honda CBR 600RR. Long story short, how I found out this needed changing is when I took the bike out, stopped, let it cool down, and then got back on it again. It just would not start in the slightest. And then I thought I'd just check the battery, but it's an old battery anyway, and it was red hot and it swelled. I thought I could smell like battery acid or something. I had to go get another battery from Halfords. One thing I did learn about the batteries is they go by the last three numbers and letter. That's how they like calculate it, obviously along with the voltage and that, but for the size, the guy was explaining to me. I thought it was just a battery issue, but when I got home again after like an hour ride, this battery was also hot. But yeah, so today we're going to be replacing the rectifier, which is this little thing down here. I'll show you in a second what I mean with the voltage, how much it's sending to it, because it's meant to be only about 12.4 on the multimeter to like 12.7 or 13, something around there anyway. So we'll first check the voltage on this battery. Turn that on, set it to 20, positive to positive, negative to negative. So that is just over 13, so that is perfectly fine. Right, let's get this battery in there and I can show you the voltage that's coming out of it currently. Just keep shooting up and up and up and up and up. So as you can see there, it just kept on going up. So that was like, what, 18? So we'll disconnect the battery, get this side panel off, get this rectifier off, and rectify the issue. White bit just right there, that's the clip we need to get to. There you go. So they have a little tab, you'll see it here, and then so that obviously sits in the connector, and you just pry it open slightly and it'll just lift it up. There we go. So with that, this clip needs to go like down and underneath, pulls out, and there we have it. Down here is the one that I ordered. So this came off a donor bike, which was, I think it's done about 20k miles. So it's in a bit worse condition than the one I have just taken off, but hopefully it lasts. This was £29. We'll crack on, get this fitted, test it before we go any further, and yeah, let's go. Through here and then push it back up. There is like a little cover. It's hard to really see on camera, but there's like a little black cover here. It's like a rubber, which obviously I think it's just heat proofing. And then yeah, we'll get it connected. And yeah, so that is how you fit a regulator slash rectifier onto your 2004 Honda CBR 600RR.